This video shows you how to set up to measure the breath using a temperature sensor. Breath measurement is needed in the Mind Body Training Tools HRV application and also the EMG plus breathing application. The sensor works by detecting the change in temperature between inhaled and exhaled air as you breathe. It's a pretty stable, robust and reliable way of detecting breath, as long as your nose is not completely blocked up. This is the GP8 amplifier, which can also measure EMG for muscle tension and heart rate via ECG. It's ideal for the HRV application because it can measure both heart rate and breath. The GP8 connects to the computer via its USB cable. There's no driver that you have to install for the GP8. The GP8 runs on batteries. The compartment is found on the underside and the cover slides off like this. It takes two AAA size batteries. If you've rented, I include rechargeable batteries plus a charger. The batteries seem to last for a good few weeks between charges. This is the temperature sensor for the GP8. It's just a thin black wire with a small bulb at the end. The sensor connects to the GP8 box via a mini USB socket. There are two of these on the GP8 and we want the left one, or the one closest to the front panel where the ECG or EMG cables go. The other end goes where it can detect the breath temperature, which is to say somewhere around the nostril. One option is to tape it to the skin using a small piece of surgical tape or micropore tape. The bulb can go just say inside the nostril. Cut or tear a piece of tape and stick it across the wire like this before sticking it onto the skin. Alternatively, if you have a moustache, you can hold the sensor just inside the nostril using a spring clip of some sort, such as this one. Personally, I would say that the tape is the best option because it's more comfortable. If you've rented a device, then I include both a roll of surgical tape and a spring clip. That's really all there is to say. You're ready to monitor breathing. You'll need to make sure the software calibrates to your breathing properly. I discussed this in the software setup videos.